So as you can see, in the UK, we have this engineer. He has a Pudo call that he's going to. His calls throughout the day. At the end of it, he's got a travel home call. So it tells you what time he's going to finish. So what I can do is, on the left-hand side of the engineers, now you've got obviously the details that I've just showed you on here. Now this can be sorted by engineer number. So if we click on engineer number, it will sort so the list on the left-hand side, it will put them into that order. So the first engineer, his ID numbers are these, and second, etc. If I take out the ticks, so if I just wanted to do one engineer, for example, I could click on his tickets I want to give him.
Yes.
Highlight the engineer on the left-hand side, and what I would do is hit plan. Now, like I say, that will look at the time he's going to start, the time he's going to finish, and the best. You say that, believe me, your views will change once you use auto planning. So the X on this side here, or the X or the little tools, should I say? If you click on that, that tells you that it's the Pudo. That's where the Pudo is. So that's where they're going to collect the parts from. The home is obviously where he lives. And the line will indicate, so the engineer is going to be going to
the first
call number 1, 2, 3.
You can fill in.
If you go back to the previous tab, what that will then do for you is put the calls into an order. So you'll put them into an assigned time. So how many minutes the job's away.
Okay.
What we do is we add 10 minutes on. So we give them a 10-minute additional timing for, they could be delayed in traffic, they could be just held up for whatever reason. The standard 10 minutes. It could be longer, it could be less. It's just 10 minutes. It also gives us how long the service is going to take. So 35 minutes to do the job. It also tells you the distance he's going to be traveling in miles. So what that does is it will say, right, he's going to be at his first job for 11:39. It's going to take him
39 minutes to get there. Service time 35. Yeah. Okay.
So 35 minutes to complete it. But once he's finished it, it's going to take him 17 minutes to travel to his next job. He's going to be there at 12:22. 35 minutes to complete it. 23 minutes to his next job, and so on. So what that does is once you've looked at this and you think, right, that's fine, he's going to get those jobs done. If you hit pre-assign, once you've hit pre-assign, wait for this to go grey. So that's basically like a confirmation. And then if you click on refresh here, what that will show you for that engineer at the top there. So his Pudo, and then it'll put all the tickets into the order that he'll be doing them.
Yes.
So there's no manual intervention you have to worry about how long it's going to take from destination A to B. The system does it for you.
Yeah, that's great.